Should I start again, Jason, or are you going to edit this? Sorry. Shit. You know what I wanted to do? I actually wanted to say something that I didn't want to bring in too quickly there.
Okay. Hey everyone, it's Kevin Brentner's CRESI, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, I should say that too, right? The name of the show. Hey everybody, welcome for another episode. Good way to start already. Hey everybody, you know, I don't want to say, I start with hey everybody way too much. That's like one of my one lines of doing it.
That was good.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of CRESI's Ontario podcast series. CRESI's Ontario CRESI's Ontario Landlord Series. No, I'm going to start that again, Jason. Hey everybody, and welcome for another episode here for CRESI's Ontario Landlord podcast series. What the fuck? Why did we make this name so long and tongue twisted? Ontario Landlord Series. Okay. Welcome everybody to another episode here of CRESI's Ontario. What the fuck?
That was good.
With us today is Azita Fathi from. Oh my goodness, I'm not even. What is this? Sorry. Prime Service Insurance. I guess I should have known that. Eh? Wow, I didn't even think. Okay, so Jason, you're gonna have to fix that. I'm gonna bring in Dan Stewart from Equitable. No, that's wrong. It's Equivest. Sorry. Why should somebody invest with you guys at Equivest? Why should someone invest with you at Equivest? So hold on, Jason. We'll go back to where I was going to kick in with Dan. It's out there, and anyways, I did not know that. It's because it does. It never all. Oh, wow. I don't know where I was going to go with that from there. What was I just going to say there? Damn it. I don't even know how to continue here. Yeah, what I was... So, yes. Okay. So to finish this off right here, Gibbon, I guess let's quickly say what. No, do we even want to do what was LTB and what isn't? Like, do you want to give that list off to finish it off? So, I don't really know where to go with this conversation at that point right there.
That was good. You should have a bloopers reel just for this.
Okay, so we can circle back. Jason can have fun editing all of this out. Anyways, all that's going to be way too long for the 3 minutes, so Jason, you're going to have to cut that somewhere, somehow. But, yeah. I don't even know if that was good enough, but it was kind of funny. No, let me do that again. Everybody, welcome to another episode here of CRESI's Ontario Landlord Series, where we're here to educate and inform landlords, discuss certain topics, and make sure that you're always in the know so that you're understanding what the best way for you to attack a situation or defend a situation. No, I don't want to say that. Fuck. Sorry.
That was good.
Well, that was a funny little episode. Hey, I hope you enjoyed our blooper reel. We thought for the holiday season and to wrap up our first full year, just over a full year with our podcast, that we put together this little blooper reel here for everybody to enjoy. One thing I noticed is that I seem to be wearing the same outfits in a lot of my outtakes, which just says sometimes I guess I'm really on and some days I'm really off. But thanks so much for watching, and keep sharing and participating, involving with this show, because the show that we do is for you guys. And hopefully next year we don't have as many bloopers. Thanks so much. Have a happy holiday season and excellent start to 2026. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.